Hey folks, Adam here, and I've got this 9-in-1 cleaning brush. But before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button and leave us a comment about how you would love to have one of these, because we're going to try to give one away to one of our lucky viewers. All right, now let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. All right, folks, so let me tell you a little bit about this product that I was able to use all over my porch and lanai. First off, it's got this handle that you can adjust or remove completely to a variety of lengths, or it can be a handheld device. And this thing is a scrubber you won't believe. In fact, it made a world of difference on my porch. These used to have so much green on them. Now that green is gone. We'll show you some overlays of that. And the way I like to use this in many cases is go ahead and follow it with my hose and spray that dirt out of there after this does all the scrubbing. Makes a world of difference. Now there's a variety of heads, including this little Velcro guy here, which is one of my favorites that you can throw on your polishing pad, which I did to polish up the leather here. The larger one, of course, you can use that for your car, for example. And this one, I have to say, is one of my favorites. This is practically a, like a magic eraser. This can actually soften up to where you can work on painted surfaces and not do any damage. I like the fact that that doesn't do any damage. Now, if you really want to scrub something, you've got this brush. This could be good even for getting dishes, okay? Very smart design there. Then on top of that, we've got this little buffing wheel, this little buffer right here. So you guys who are car gurus, this is a perfect option for you. Now, I've been using the heck out of the corner brush. The corner brush is fantastic as well. Mind you, this does come with a carrying bag, and it's all rechargeable with USB-C. You can see I've been hitting those corners, like to get those high corners with the pole. This makes a difference, and this gets those spots you can't quite get. And this unique design was really helping get that cat hair out of the corners, and that was pretty gross. Okay, on top of that, we've got another brush here. This flat surface I used all over the place. Really got some things clean, and I liked getting up the green mildew, and I don't know, we had some black stuff on one of the cabinets here. This really got it off very well. And of course, among a variety of others, we've got this little version, and this was great for cleaning the barbecue grill, and I was able to get that really clean with this brush head. Now, there's so much included. Of course, your USB-C cabling, a little hook for hanging, if you will, and this thing is fantastic. Now, it has a big battery, lithium battery, that's rechargeable with USB-C, again included, and does have the apparatus that you need to do everything you want to do. Now, it is a rainy, miserable day here in Florida, but I tell you what, this made my day better, and it made me happy. Now, the variety of speeds, the power, the grace, this thing is incredible. So if you're looking for a device that's really going to do a world of cleaning and have a wide variety of options of things you can do with it, there's really nothing better. It is lightweight to where it's not going to wear you out. And of course, this thing is extendable, and I like that as well. So yeah, folks, this is a premium device by a great brand that really has you covered when it comes to overall quality, style, and sophistication. Now, if you are a car guru, this brush is going to do wonders. Imagine doing your wheels with it. You can do both the wheels and the tires. You can even save one of those brushes and clean out your engine compartment. Get those areas that get greasy and grimy. Think about it with your barbecue grill, with your basement, or pet areas. Yeah, my lanai gets so dirty and gross thanks to our 3 cats. This did wonders and made it not so gross for me to have to clean because I didn't have to touch anything. It did all the work for me. It did all the scrubbing. And I love that. Also, if you're prepping paint, things like that, models and figures, this is gonna clean your surface very well, particularly with that green head. So folks, you're gonna wanna check this out. This is a great option for you, and it's a great option for me. Again, this is an elite brand, one that cares about you as the consumer, so go check it out. You're not gonna be disappointed. Now stick around for our up-close portion of the video if you wanna see even more. Oh yeah. All right, friends, now it's time for up-close portion of the video. This is the 9-in-1. We like to show this at the end of the video for people who want to know even more about the product. It's got an extended working time, easy and efficient, multiple heads, green charging, and it's cordless. Yeah, it's clean and cordless. It says every cleaning is creating a better living environment. Yeah, how cool is that? So it says don't fully soak in water, can soak the brush head, and can flush the scrubber. Yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy there. And yeah, this is the model CB02. It's 5 watt with a 3000 mAh battery, which means that it's really going to work well. Energy efficient too. That 3000 mAh battery won't need to be charged too often. And yeah, this is a powerful wand that I cannot wait to check out. Cannot wait to check it out. And it looks like there's so many different ways of cleaning. I've been really looking forward to getting my hands on this right here, because that's going to do some scrubbing for me. Love the fact that it's got that extended handle for cleaning. And yeah, there's so many different things I want to clean with this, including my wheels on my car. You can imagine how awesome that will be. So yeah, I'm going to have to go through and see which way this hooks up. There we go. And this is a great little device. Wow, look at all the different heads we have here. So a variety of different heads to use. Ooh, that could be good for polishing, scrubbing. Oh, that's almost like a, what is it called? A magic eraser. And ooh, that's gonna be really good for an abrasive cleaning and a non-abrasive cleaning. So many different ways to apply that right there. Put that on the end of your wand and you'll be good to go without a word to say. So we have a lot of options here. Of course, we have this guy. This gal. Whoa. Cool. Charged up and ready to go, folks. That's nice. Got this one as well. That's a good wand right there. And then we've got just a plethora of different Velcro on tips that are going to make a world of difference. Whoa, look at that one. And you can just swap them out however you want. How cool is that, huh? Yeah, folks, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you every single one, but that's gonna do a great job buffing the car, right? So many different things from a great company. And then of course you can extend that wand out to really cover a great distance, and you can get some cleaning done even on those high shelves. All right, folks, if you're looking for a product that can't be beat, excuse me, if you're looking for a product that can't be beat, well, guess what? This is the product for you, and it's the product for me. I cannot wait to get to scrubbing and get to working. So folks, if your question is, should you pick it up? I'm gonna give this thing a resounding yes. Please fully charge the product before use, that makes sense. And yeah, this thing is really cool and it's lightweight. I can't stress how cool that is. All right, folks, you know I love and appreciate you. Go check it out. You will not be disappointed. Goodbye, my friends.